Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your Apple ID is active and the gift card is redeemed. Open Settings and verify you're signed in with the Apple ID you use for Icloud. Then redeem the card in the App Store. Tap your profile, choose Redeem Gift Card or Code, and follow prompts. Once done, check the account balance. It appears as a dollar amount at the top of the App Store. Make sure the card region matches your Apple ID to avoid blocks. You're now ready to purchase iCloud storage. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and Manage Storage or iCloud Plus. Pick the plan, 50 GB, 200 GB, or 2 TB, based on current usage. When you tap Subscribe, the system shows payment options and the total in local currency. If you redeemed your gift card correctly, the Apple ID balance is listed and used automatically. If it's a subscription renewal, make sure Automatic Renewal is on. Once you confirm, iCloud applies the storage immediately. Finish by confirming the upgrade. Go back to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and Manage Storage to see the new quota. If the purchase didn't go through, check the Apple ID balance and ensure the redeemed card's region matches your account. Mismatched regions often block charges. If problems persist, sign out and back in or contact Apple support. Make sure Automatic Renewal is set if you want continuous coverage, and remember you can share iCloud Plus with family sharing if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.